Hello, welcome to Montessori for Moms. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important things that will benefit your child's life forever, and that is financing. Financing is a really important step in life for your child so that he or she can learn to manage money in the real world. So if you want to know how, these are 3 simple and easy steps to learn how. Step 1. First thing we're going to do is set a goal for your child to follow. Say like to buy a toy or even a book. So now that you got that settled, we're going to explain the rules. Step 2. Together with your child, make a list of chores. Assign the value of each chore on the list to keep track of the chores he or she does every week. Depending on the age, they can do something like cleaning the microwave or vacuuming the house. Little kids can do stuff like taking out the dishes from the dishwashers, but no sharp stuff. Step 3. When the week is finished, add up all the points that he or she has earned. Then, give the child the money, but that's where the important stuff comes in. When you give your child the money, give them half of what they've earned, so they are free to spend it on anything they want. This is going to give them an immediate reward. Then, have them put the other half in the piggy bank for the child's long-term goal. Now that you got those 3 steps down, you know how to get your child financing their own money. They're going to use it for the rest of their lives. If you want to learn more about education for your child, join MontessoriForMoms.com.